Hi everybody, Kyle here from DirectID, and today I want to introduce the Viper Connect, our first plug-and-play solution for the connected car. Inside the box, we've got our Viper Connect device, our OBD2 extension harness, and our easy-to-follow quick start guide. In just a few minutes, you'll have your car connected. Alright, the first step in installing our Viper Connect is locating the vehicle's OBD2 port. In virtually every vehicle, the OBD2 port should be under the driver's side of the dash. However, it may be in a hidden compartment, and if you have any problems accessing it and plugging in your device, please use a provided OBD2 extension harness. Alright, once you've downloaded the Smart Start app and registered an account, you can go into the settings section and click Add Vehicle. Once you're in the Add Vehicle page, you'll have Add Viper Connect module. We'll hit Add Viper Connect. We can then scan the QR code on the back of the device. It located our device, and now we can proceed forward to connecting it to our OBD2 plug. Today we're going to use our extension harness for demonstration purposes to help watch what the device does through activation. Within the first 30 seconds to a minute, you should get some LED flashing on the device as it establishes a handshake to the network. Alright, looks like it's found our device with pretty decent signal strength. We can now click Next. Congratulations, your Viper Connect is now installed to your account. Alright, so now's where we can decide if you want to just use this as standalone for GPS tracking. Hit standalone and you're all done. If you've got a DS4 system and are going to pair it up to it, we're going to hit pair to my DS4 and follow the next steps. Alright, so to connect this to our DS4 system, we're going to follow our standard DS4 pairing sequence. We're going to turn the ignition on, we're going to find our valet button for the DS4, we're going to press it one time, release it, and press and hold to get it into pairing, and proceed forward through the app. Hit our valet button up on the antenna. We now have our DS4 into pairing mode, and we'll proceed forward through the app. Lets you know to make sure you're disarmed, get your ignition on, access that valet as mentioned, and the two will handshake and connect to each other. It located our DS4 device, has a checkbox next to it, and we'll hit Next. Alright, congratulations, it is now paired to your DS4 system. From there, we can register information about the vehicle for this device and hit Finish. Your car is now connected. Alright, we're going to take a look at some of the features that come with our Viper Connect. If you're using the Connect as a standalone device, it's going to be mainly for GPS tracking, but we've got some extra features for you as well. The first one we've got is battery alerts. We can turn our battery alert on to get an indication of when the battery is getting low, so you can go start the car and prevent it from dying. The second one we've got is vehicle lockdown. So you can lock down the car once it's parked, so if it moves from that position, you'll get an immediate alert letting you know the vehicle is moved. We've also got speed alerts. You can set your speed and the frequency from either always on or scheduled times to set your alerts to monitor any speeding. We've also got two smart fence options where you can set geozones around the vehicle, varying the radius from the location, changing the alert from an enter to an exit of that zone, and also being able to change the frequency of either always on or scheduled to a certain time. Now, if you're using the Viper Connect in conjunction with one of our DS4 systems, you'll have some extra features on the main dashboard. You'll have things such as lock and unlock, our Smart Start option to start the vehicle, a trunk pop, a panic, and potentially some extra auxiliaries depending on the vehicle application. If you're unsure of what's supported on your system, please refer to the shop that you had your product installed at.